New Richard Mille RM-66 manual winding flying tourbillon watch with caliber RM-66 manual winding tourbillon movement with hours and minutes. Power reservoir is 72 hours. Fast rotating barrel 6 hours per revolution instead of 7.5 hours. This type of barrel provides the following advantages. The phenomenon of periodic internal mainspring adhesions is significantly dimensioned, thereby increasing performance. Provisions of an excellent mainspring delta occur with an ideal power reservoir and regularity ratio. Movement characteristics or movement dimension is 32.50 by 30.30 mm. Thickness is 5.68 mm. Tourbillon diameter is 10.90 mm. Balance wheel diameter is 9.12 mm. Number of jewels is 17. Balance wheel, glacier, 2 arms, 4 setting screws. Moment of inertia is 11.50 mg centimeter square. Angle of lift is 53 degree. Frequency 21,600 VPH. 3 Hz. Balance spring Alien War by Nevarox. Shock protection skiff Elastor KE-160 B28. Barrel shaft in nickel free chronofer DAN by 46 CR30 plus S with the following characteristics: stainless, anti-magnet, suitable for tampering. Movement hand polish, beveling, microblasted milled sections, drawn or polished outer faces, steel parts, microblasted surfaces, satin brushed surfaces, hand polished beveling, hand drawn finish on the upper surfaces, matte strokes on the underside, lengthwise, hand drawn strokes on the side, polished sinks. Wheels concave chamfering with a dimming tool, circulating smooth faces, random plating before cutting the teeth. Minimal corrections applied to wheels in order to preserve geometry and performance.